All right, so let's move on to Snapchat OSINT, right, in this case. So we are just going to be learning some few things, just learning how to download pictures and videos of a particular person we're finding, and also finding the timestamp, that is the exact time that post was made. And we're also going to be extracting what metadata is all about. So these are some of the information we've been able to get so far about Rishi Cabra, right, in this case. And based on all this information, we probably have Snapchat here. Now, if you don't have Snapchat, you can just simply go to his Facebook profile. I mean, you should probably have his Facebook profile, which we have here, right? And if you go to his Facebook profile, which is this one here, you would see some of the links which he has here already, and we can see that this is his Snapchat username, right? So Rishikabra132. If you probably want to find anyone on Snapchat, you can usually use this link right here, which I'm just going to show you guys right now. So this one. Okay, let me paste that in a new tab. So you can usually use this link right here. Okay, snapchat.com/@ then the username. Okay, so this is his username, and you can replace it with anybody's. All right, so but of course we are trying to find Rishi Cabra, and if you don't have this, you can simply copy or type this out. I'll provide this in the resources section, and you want to go to a new tab, and you don't need to necessarily have a Snapchat account this time around. You can just paste that right away and then either down that. So this is going to take you to Rishi Cabra's Snapchat profile, and we successfully get it. Now there is really nothing much we want to do here, but let's say we want this profile picture. If you right click on it and then we click on open image in new tab, you probably see that this image is too small, right? So I don't think it's really useful anyway, so I can just close this off, and so you can get some other informations, like for example where he lives. You can see we already know this from the beginning of the video. We know he lives in India, right? But this might just be Chennai, which is a different location. And well, the last time he updated posted anything here, and we can see his stories at the bottom here, the most recent stories. We can filter it if we want to, and this is his little bio which he has here in this case. And there are some things we can check, his spotlights, and some other things, right? So but let's just focus right on this post which he has here. So let's click right on the first one here. So this is just one of his posts here, and we can actually download this, right? So let's just close it. So if you want to download it now, you don't need any external to. First of all, what you can just simply do is to just right click anywhere. Now when you right click anywhere, you would see inspect. So click inspect. So this would open up your inspect element for you like this, right? So let me just try increasing that. So once your inspect element is open for you right away, so what you want to do now is, yours might be on the right hand side, something like this, right? So if you want to be able to take it to the bottom, you can just simply towards the top there, click on these three dots. Then I would like to shift that to the bottom. Okay, so once it's at the bottom, then the next thing you want to do is to click on network. Okay, amongst the options here, so click network. Now when you click network, on the far right you would see all these options here. So what you want to do is to click media. Okay, so when you click media now, then what you want to do next is you come back to this profile here. Okay, so what you want to do is you are going to click on this first post here. Okay, so just click on it. Now when you click on it, immediately the link of that post of that media is going to appear here. And anytime you click on a post, it can have multiple posts inside it, right? So that's what we want to do. Okay, so what you want to do is to click again. Now when you click again, you might see this arrow. It means there are still more posts. Okay, so just be sure that if there are more posts, you should click on that arrow. Okay, so this is telling me that there are about 4 posts here. Okay, for this single one, there are about 4 media inside it, right? So let's click out. Now we'll click on the second one too as well. So click. Now if you want to be sure that there's still something, click again. You see this little arrow beside it, just click again. So I think it's just 2 here, right? As you are clicking, the links are showing up at the bottom here. So let's do that for everything. So click out, then click on this one. So just be watching the links keep increasing, right? This is because those are the links of that particular post, right? So click again on the post. You can see there's a right arrow. Just keep clicking on it, okay, until you get to the last one, which is this one here, right? So you can see this is the link for absolutely everything. So let's click on this third one here. Let's click, and we have it there. Let's click on the last one here. Just click somewhere around it. If you see the arrow, just click. So this has quite some, a lot of posts here in this case, right? As you can see, we've been able to get all the posts which he has here, right, in this case, right? So now if you want to download it, it's very straightforward for you to download it. So all you just simply need to do is from the first one here, or any one of it, what you can do is double click on it, on any one. It's going to open up in a new tab for you like this. So you can see that's opened up in a new tab, and to download it, you can just right click on it, and you are going to see save video as. So you can also decide to save the video straight up, and I'll save it to desktop and click save. So you can do this for all the videos or all the posts which you have there. If you want to do that for another video again, you can just double click on it, and this would open up for you. Okay, as you can see. So you can do this for absolutely everything, but now the one I've just downloaded, right, is just simply this one, right? And this one just comes with some random names right with it. So let's say I want to know the particular day he made this post. Okay, I can actually do that. Now for me to do that, it's very easy. So let's go back to my browser here in this case. So if I go back to here, back to this place here, it doesn't really show details. So one thing you can do for yourself, let's close up this, is that you can actually find another way to download this if that's way too tasking, but there's no way it's too tasking. And all you just need to do is to come to this website here called sn.storyclone.com. I'll drop the link in the resources, and inside this website here, you can just paste the username. So let's go back to Rishikabra's profile. So his username is what we have here, right? And we can just simply copy that and go back to the website, which is this, and come in here and paste that and click search in this case. So what this is going to do for us is going to search for that profile and display all the media this person has right away. Let's see again. Okay, so this is processing. So this will show all the stories about this person, and we are most likely going to get both the date and the time of this person's post right away. So as you can see, as I scroll down, you can see that on each of them, which Snapchat didn't show us, it's now showing us here the date this was posted. Okay, we can also get the time, don't worry, I'll show you that. Okay, let's actually use this as a case scenario right in this case. Okay, so let's try to download one. Just download this one here just by clicking on it. You can download it too, right? And it's as simple as that. So it's done downloading. Okay, so if I now zoom in now, you would get to see that when you download it this time around, you can see that very interesting enough, you can see that it comes with the date this was actually posted, which was on the 8th month 2021, and it also comes with the time. Okay, as you can see, the time right here is 4:20:02 seconds, right? So that's one thing right there, right? So but of course I want to now convert this time to the region he lives. This time which you are seeing here is just UTC time. Okay, it's just the UTC time. Okay, just universal. And this person which we are trying to actually check his profile lives in Kolkata, and Kolkata is based in India. That's where he lives, right? So we want to be able to convert this time to the Kolkata, right, to his region. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, so what we are going to do this time around, you are going to visit this website right here. So let me just write down the URL of that. So this surveytime.com/converter, and then when you type that, it takes you to this website where you can convert time, right? And we want to add the time and city or town. Okay, so let's say Kolkata and click on it. Okay, so very good. So we have it here. So what you just simply want to do is to know exactly that time, right, which you want to convert to Kolkata, right? And if we take a look at my downloads here, just to see that again, you see we have it at 420, right? So 420-02, right? So let's put it here. So what you want to do now is you have to click right on this one. So this one here, you know, the time which you are seeing from this right there is the UTC time. Okay, so what you want to do now is to come here again and just type UTC. Okay, and then you select it. Okay, so we want to convert UTC time to Kolkata. Okay, so what you want to do now is to come to this time here and then type that time. Remember it's 420, right? So type 4 colon then 20 and enter. Okay, so in Kolkata 4:20 a.m. is actually 9:50 a.m. here, right? As you can see. So if we actually go back to that post which we downloaded just now, this post here, so you can see it's actually showing for 9:48, right? But it converted it to 9:54. So that was when he posted this. Okay, maybe the time he actually snapped this picture here was at 9:48, and maybe it took him about 2 minutes extra, and then that's why the post is posted at 9:50 in this case, right? So that most likely would be the reason. Okay, so but that's how to actually get the exact time, and you can use this for any particular time, or you can use it to convert any from any region to any region in this case. So the last thing I just want to show you guys right now is if you want to be able to find a particular person's Snapchat profile, okay, you can simply use this URL here, just their special Snapchat code. Okay, just like a scan code. Okay, you can usually use this URL. Okay, so this URL actually provides me that. Okay, and what you just need to do is this username part here, you just replace it as the person's username, or as the Snapchat person's username. And you know Rishi Cabra's username is Rishi Cabra 132, right? You know that's his username, right? So what we are going to simply do is to just copy this whole thing, okay, and just come to a new tab, paste that, hit down that. So and this is actually going to now find me or show me up this right away. At least this would allow you to be able to scan next time, even if the person changes their username. Okay, we can still scan this, and this would allow us try to, you know, also know the way the person looks like. Although, you know, you can design your Snapchat profile anyhow you want, but you know, sometimes people are just the way they are, and then we know that this person has beards, wears glass, and then his hair is kind of much, and so on, right? So that's all about Snapchat, right, in this case.